Hi there. So now it begins, as you can hear. The demolition of the old Wells Fargo branch in Albany. The city owns it, as you know, and they've asked somebody, they've contacted somebody to take it down. The fence has been up for a couple of weeks, and now the actual work is starting. This building was started in 1912. So, as you can see, it's 111 years old, and the remnants of it are now going to be taken down. What happens next, we don't really know yet. For a while, it's going to be an empty lot. And after that, it's going to be perhaps redeveloped. We don't know. Well, let's see what else we can see here. Well, it looks like it's going to take a while. It's a pretty sturdy building. I'll check with you later when the building is gone. I'm Hossa Herring, and I'll see you here on HH Today.